Okay, so at the top here is the question I got from the textbook. So we're going to go through this as our example today. What I've done already is ordered them from lowest to highest. So all these terms are from lowest to highest already. Okay, let's start now. So our leaves is the last digit of all our terms. So I'm just going to highlight the last digit of 19, and that is 9. Going down, I do the same as for all the other terms. So the last digit is highlighted green, which means that it is the leaf. Next, anything else that is not the leaf becomes the stem. So the stem can be 1 digit or can also be 2 digits as well when I get more than 100. So yeah, so here at our stem. Let's see. So for a stem leaf plot, just gonna draw what it kind of looks like and where it came from. So here is our stem and our leaves. Now I'm gonna label it a stem for those who can't tell my drawing apart. And here is our leaf. So I'm gonna draw a line that separates between our stem and leaf out, just so you can tell. Okay, there. Because it's maths and we're trying to make everything more simpler, we are going to get rid of the drawings and just keep the main features. So that's the stem, the leaf, and the line in the middle that divides them out. Okay, let's start with our stem first. So our lowest stem is a 1, and our highest stem is a 4. This means that our stem goes from 1 all the way to 4. And I'm going to write that down, 1, 2, 3, 4. The line's too long, so yeah, there. Okay, so looking at stem 1 first, we have 2 terms, 19 and 19. So for the first 19, we have a leaf of 9. So we highlighted that green already to help us see. Next is also a leaf of 9, and I'll write beside there with a gap in between. Next, we're going to move on to stem 2. And our first term has a stem of 2 and a leaf of 0. So I'll write down 0 here. Next has a leaf of 4. Another one of 4 here. So just read off the green stuff I highlighted and write it down as your leaf. 5. This next one is a 6. Next one is a 7. And our final one for stem 2 is a 9. Now we're going to look at stem 3, and that is from 31 to 38. So 31 has a stem of 1 and a leaf, stem of 3 and a leaf of 1. Our next one also has a leaf of 1. 36 has a leaf of 6, and our 38 has a leaf of 8. Finally, we're going to look at stem 4. Stem 4 only has 2 terms. The first one has a stem of 4 and a leaf of 2. Next one has a leaf of 3. Yeah. So that is our basic stem and leaf plot. All that's left to do is to write down our key. Our key just helps readers read our stem and leaf plot more easily. So I'm just going to circle one type of data, yeah, just there. And I'll write down exactly what I just circled. So 4, line, and a 2. We just want a snapshot of our stem and leaf plot. And we want to say that that actually means 42. If you don't write this down, people could read it as 4.2, but it's not, it's actually 42 for our specific data set. And that is our key.